In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image link in Google Drive. This process is straightforward and can be a great way to share your photos with friends, family, or coworkers without having to send them the actual file. Instead, you'll share a link that leads them directly to the image. First, you'll need to open your Google Drive. If you're not already logged in, be sure to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, find the image you want to create a link for. You may have it stored in a folder, or perhaps it's already at the top of your feed. Take a moment to locate the image so we can move to the next step. After locating the image, right-click on it with your mouse. A context menu should appear with several options. From that menu, you'll want to select Get Link. This feature allows you to generate a shareable link for the image. Make sure to click on this option so we can continue. When you click Get Link, a sharing settings window will pop up. In this window, you'll notice a section at the bottom that gives you control over who can access the image. Here, you'll want to click on the Restricted drop-down menu. We need to adjust these settings to make sure anyone with the link can view the image. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Anyone with the link. This setting ensures that anyone you share the link with can view the image, regardless of whether they have a Google account. This can be incredibly useful when sharing with people who might not have access to Drive. Now that you've adjusted the sharing settings, it's time to copy the link. Click the Copy Link button in the Sharing Settings window. This will copy the URL to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you need to share the image. Once you have the link copied, you can paste it into an email, a chat message, or a social media post, depending on how you want to share the image. Just place your cursor where you want to paste it and use Ctrl+V if you're on a PC, or Command+V on a Mac to insert the link. Before wrapping up, a quick tip. While sharing the link, remember that anyone who has access to it can view the image. If privacy is a concern, make sure to only share it with trusted individuals. And there you have it. You've successfully created a shareable link for an image in Google Drive. This method is not only convenient, but also helps keep your files organized and ensures you're not overloading inboxes with large attachments. Feel free to use this technique for any other files you have stored in Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.